guys, welcome back to another video, and today, if you read the title, you will understand what my mom will be reacting to, but today you're going to be reacting to a jump dash level.
Okay.
Alright.
So I have it just right here.
The level we're going to be reacting to is called Black Blizzard.
Black Blizzard, okay. Did you do this level?
No. A really popular player named Crazy Man 50 made it. But recently he just kind of changed his name a little bit, so that's why he may show up as Kermit.
Okay. Died like the first 2 minutes.
So,
first few seconds.
You know how throughout the video I was kind of like calling out, oh, this I'll call section 1?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna say like the part where you can't really see anything, like the drop is considered.
Mm-hmm.
I would just make that section 3. But which part do you think was the hardest, obviously?
Oh, when there was too much going on.
Like the third part?
Yeah.
But what do you feel like is harder? Like that very last part where you can't really see anything and you see the decoration going in the background? Or the part where you literally just need the double? Or just like when you're normal, like a normal human being?
I think the hardest part when you do the double. Because there's so much going on. How do you know what to do?
But what do you think is the second hardest part in the drop?
Oh.
Like the second hardest?
Would be that black level with the little tunnels.
So like the very last part in the end before level
Yeah,
ends?
because you don't know where you're going. It's really hard because then the light flashes.
You kind of see it faintly. So
Like you can't see
in.
where you're going because the light flashes, and then by the time you're done, you crash into something. That's too hard. The only way they do it is because they probably have to do it like a million times to remember to go up and down, where to go.
But one thing he does have an advantage is that usually it's when you play someone else's level, you don't know what's coming out, but he has a bit of an advantage because he's like, because usually, this may just be me, but I have something to suggest someone creating logic because I made a couple levels. Whenever you're making a part where like there's like a lot of fake orbs, because you must have seen some orbs that he didn't like touch. Those are called fakes. Like you don't want to touch those or else you'll crash into the spikes or they'll just won't work out.
See, I don't know that. That's already too complicated for me. Like I don't know. I don't know.
Usually it's something you use in memorization levels. But
how many times are you going to have to really play it to memorize all that? That's too much. It's too much work.
But with how most creators, or maybe just me, do it, you do like the real stuff you're gonna do, then that's when you add all like the extra decoration and like the stuff you're not supposed to press. So he had a little bit of an advantage because he knows what's coming up and he knows what's gonna, like the pattern you're supposed to do. because he built it.
Well, he built it, yeah. All right. That was interesting.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard do you rate this level?
I rate it a 8 because I'm pretty sure there's even harder stuff out there. But it's pretty hard.
Very reasonable. In the top 50 levels list, like the hardest level, like the hardest top 50. It's somewhere near I don't know if it's in the top 10, but I know for sure it's in the top 20.
Yeah, it's an 8.
Yeah.
8. You're an 8. It's an 8.
So, if I switch it over here to me, so I'm actually visible. Thank you guys for so much for clicking a video. And, hello! There. And for better, you have a little small child. Thank you guys so much for watching. I like to thank you. And there I go, film. I'm telling you, without... oh my god, I suck at these outros.